Thanks so much for tuning in and happy holiday season. In today's video, we are going to take this green tree that has been beautifully all fluffed up and ready to go. It is ready for the trimming. So as you can see, we have two pieces. I've got all four pieces down below, and then these are the top two pieces right here. And I've got it set in a bar stool. This is how I decorate it because this is a super tall tree, and obviously it is so much more convenient and way easier to decorate it where I can get to it without being on a ladder. And then Rob and I will very carefully put it up onto the base right in there. So we are going to turn these two pieces right here into this absolutely beautiful, gorgeous Christmas tree. So if you want to see me do that, just keep watching. As I've been decorating areas around the house, I've been going through all of the bins and setting aside all of the things that I know are for the tree. So here we've got some of our larger ornaments. I'll open this one here in just a second. Let me take all this apart when I put the camera down. But here are a whole bunch of lights in here. I've got some picks here. I know here there are a bunch of like my fun ornaments. This is the star to the tree right here. And then I've got all my ribbon there as well. So this is the ladder for all the elves. I'm gonna stick that right here. This is just the Merry Christmas sign that goes right in between the branches. There's some more ornaments in there. How cute are these guys? Love. That's one of my favorite things. And I just place it within the tree. A little bit of whimsy, if you will. And then I've also got these two legs that stick out from either side. We've got more ornament stuff here. Let's put that there for now. I know that there's lots of different ornaments and balls in here. In this big black bin, you can see this is a huge bin. I got this at the Container Store years ago. It is huge. It is like 2 or 3 times the size of like a regular bin. It is really large, but it's very light because ornaments obviously are really light. And this is filled mostly with picks. I've got some larger ornaments. We've got some florals in here. You can kind of see them peeking through. And then we've got all of our bows in here as well. So this is where I'm gonna start because we're gonna go ahead and decorate the top of the tree. We'll start there so that Rob can then help me put it on to the very top right here. So let's do that.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
So this is my little bin where I actually have just a bunch of things. Like I've got all of my ornament hooks. I've got some wire here. This is usually what I use when I put the picks in, just to kind of secure everything up here. Because like I said, I have to move this and I need to put it on top of here. So Rob's got to help me do that, but I need to make sure that this is sturdy. So I have just a bunch of lights up here, like overkill, because there are holes in my star. Let me show you here. You can see that there are some holes in here. So at night, you can actually see the light through those holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on here now, and then we'll start decorating. And I'm totally watching Harry Potter. And I'm watching it on my laptop because I think Rob is going to probably be recording later. So I just have like ambiance over there. And then here I'm watching movies. So this is what we're gonna do today because this project usually takes me 4 to 5 hours to do. It's a long one. And that guy down there, totally not helping. All right, let's get to it.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
The lights are done. Oh, I see there's a little space there. We will get those situated here in a minute, but the lights are done. We do need to figure out our surge protector situation because I did steal it. And Rob just looked around and we don't have any others. So I know it kind of looks a little bit bare. Well, it is bare right now, obviously. But by the time I am done with this tree, you hardly see any of the green. It literally looks like that. I love the way the top came out. Love. All right, so now we need to put the ribbon on. And don't worry, honey. I will get a surge protector tomorrow. He doesn't like that the lights are on without a surge protector. But that's okay. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. First couple of ribbons are on, and so what I have is we've got just this mesh, and then I've got this ribbon here, and I just put one on top of the other. I just stack it up, and then I just grab a leaf and I just curl one of the branches, not a leaf, branches. I curl one of the branches around it to hold it secure and in place. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to squish it down. Let me get this one a little bit better. Just like that, easy peasy. And this can just be a little bit willy-nilly like it is, because you're gonna put ornaments all around it. So it doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be symmetrical. Sorry, I've got Harry Potter's on down there. That's loud. So I have a few more. I might only do 1 or 2 more. I haven't decided yet. Probably just 2 more. I think that'll be good. So let's get those done.
Christmas lights.
Ribbon is done, and I ended up having to, because there's a lot extra. I usually just tuck it in, so when I did this last one in the back, there's a lot extra, and this ribbon happened to be short, which will probably be what happens next year when I put this ribbon up, because I just cut off a whole bunch of the bottom, and then I just weaved it in this way. So yay, ribbon done. And this is when it starts to get a little bit quicker. Lights are on, ribbon is done, top is done. Now we just pop all the ornaments in. I just sorted out all of this that was in this bin here. So we've got the larger ornaments here. And then I actually separated out some things that I'm gonna give to Kaylee to decorate for her tree, because those are more her colors, the jewel tones, and I think those will look really good on her tree. We'll just have to see when we go to decorate it if they're too big, because they might be a little bit too big. But we've got all the big ornaments here, we've got the florals here, and we've got ribbons here. So now it's just a matter of getting it on the tree. Let's go. Only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you. The bins are empty. So everything, the big stuff anyways, the bigger ornaments, the bows, floral picks, the Santa legs, they're all on the tree. Now it's time for the fun stuff. The stuff that all of our personal ornaments, the ones that mean lots to us, all of these types of ornaments. Now it's time to get these just kind of filled in. And we are officially done. All of our favorite ornaments are here. Absolutely love the way this tree came out. And honestly, you guys, this isn't much different from last year. I love it. Makes my heart so happy. Whenever we finish it, it's like a huge just sigh of relief. Absolutely love. We are not going to be able to get these guys on the ladder because if you can see here, I actually have a broken light bulb. We're gonna have to get that fixed. And then, so in a future vlog, I will go ahead and share that with you guys because I do want those elves right there. What they do is they just are climbing up this and then it looks like they're hanging those colored lights. It's the cutest. But Rob was playing with Kai and their ball just hit my bulb and yeah, the ball won. So that's going to be a project for another day. I did get a surge protector, so we are safe here, but we are done. And I just, again, it just makes me so happy. And I think this tree came out absolutely beautiful. And when I say there's a hodgepodge of things in here, there really is a hodgepodge. We've got old kid photos. This is one of our favorites. There is a story behind this picture. We won't get into it today, but that is one of my absolute favorite memories because this photo shoot was probably one of the most hilarious of all time. So that's just a good, really, it's a family memory for us, and it's kind of one of those things like you just had to be there. But that picture means a lot to us. And then I've got fun little ornaments in here as well. We love our beachy Santas for sure. And then we've got the rustic vibes. I've got my florals in here. You know, we've got some hibiscus in here for sure. And then I've got all of my snowflakes. This really, it's just, there's so many things in here. Love. Now here is the top of our tree, and you can see, this is why I put so many lights up on the very top, because you can kind of see them through the star. Oh, love it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I do decorate all sides of my tree because we're actually standing on, if I scoot back, you can see we're standing on the stairs, and you really can see all the way down. So we are decorated 360 here.
We're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, I'd love it if you did. And I hope that you are having a happy holiday season. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.